What if making extra money in 2026 was far easier than most people think? Simply because the right artificial intelligence tools can do half the work for you. That's the reality many Americans are waking up to, and it's changing the entire landscape of side hustles and online income. These tools aren't just helpful, they're becoming essential for anyone who wants to earn more without sacrificing extra hours or learning complicated skills. In this video, we're diving into the most powerful artificial intelligence tools that ordinary people are using to bring in additional income from home. As you follow along, you'll start to see how these tools simplify the process, speed up your workflow, and open doors you never even imagined. Artificial intelligence side hustle workstations. One of the most powerful ways to earn in 2026 is by using artificial intelligence side hustle workstations designed to speed up everything from writing to design to planning. These tools combine content generators, scheduling assistants, editing helpers, and branding systems into one streamlined workspace. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas or polishing drafts, artificial intelligence handles the repetitive tasks while you focus on delivering finished work clients love. Freelancers use these workstations to run social media agencies, content studios, and marketing support businesses from home. The best part is that they help you look more professional instantly by producing clean, consistent, and high-quality output. It's like having a virtual creative team working beside you. Artificial intelligence market research tools. Market research tools powered by artificial intelligence are becoming essential because they remove the guesswork from starting a business or side hustle. These platforms scan current trends, analyze consumer behavior, track product demand, and reveal niches with real earning potential. Instead of spending months testing random ideas, you get fast insights into what Americans are actually buying and what categories are predicted to grow. Many people use these tools to launch online stores, digital products, or service-based businesses with far more confidence. Artificial intelligence also highlights profitable keywords, pricing gaps, and emerging opportunities that traditional research methods often miss. When you understand the market clearly, you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Artificial intelligence video production tools. Artificial intelligence video tools have transformed the way people create content, especially for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These tools help you edit clips, remove background noise, generate subtitles, match trending styles, and even suggest story ideas. What once required expensive software and hours of practice can now be done in minutes from your phone or laptop. Creators use these tools to produce content faster and build audiences quicker, which translates into more brand deals, ad revenue, and sales. Even beginners can create polished videos that look professional. If you're trying to grow online or sell a product, artificial intelligence video tools make the process cleaner, easier, and far more profitable. Artificial intelligence print-on-demand design. Tools print-on-demand has exploded because it lets anyone create merchandise without buying inventory. And artificial intelligence design tools make the creative process unbelievably simple. These tools generate high-quality artwork, typography, and themed collections instantly. Whether it's shirts, mugs, posters, or tote bags, you can create entire product lines tailored to specific niches with just a few prompts. This is perfect for people who want to earn extra money but don't have design skills or a big upfront budget. Many Americans use these tools to build online stores that run quietly in the background, bringing in consistent passive income. With unique designs and smart marketing, print-on-demand becomes a low-risk, high-reward opportunity in 2026. Artificial intelligence e-commerce automation assistants. Running an online store can be overwhelming, but artificial intelligence automation assistants make it manageable even for beginners. These tools write product descriptions, optimize titles, update inventory, track performance, and even handle customer responses. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, you can focus on choosing products and marketing them. Automation is the reason many small stores stay alive during tough economic times. It reduces workload and increases efficiency. Artificial intelligence also helps identify which products are performing well and which ones you should replace, saving both time and money. For anyone wanting to run a store from home, these assistants make e-commerce easier and more profitable. Artificial intelligence tutoring and lesson creation. Tools tutoring and teaching continue to boom, and artificial intelligence tools make it even easier to earn from home by simplifying lesson planning and student management. These platforms generate worksheets, quizzes, practice problems, and personalized study plans within minutes. This helps tutors offer more structured, effective sessions, which leads to better results and happier clients. Americans use these tools for language teaching, test preparation, academic tutoring, skill coaching, and even hobby-based classes. Parents appreciate organized lessons, and adult learners love having a clear path to improvement. With artificial intelligence handling the back-end work, you can focus on guiding students and building long-term relationships that support steady income. Artificial intelligence voiceover and audio tools. Artificial intelligence voice tools have turned voiceover work into one of the easiest side hustles to start. These platforms generate smooth, realistic voice recordings for ads, audiobooks, narrations, YouTube channels, explainer videos, and even gaming characters. Instead of needing an expensive microphone or studio setup, you can create professional quality audio from your laptop. Many Americans use these tools to sell voiceover services on freelancing platforms or to produce content for their own channels. The flexibility is what makes this opportunity powerful. You can create dozens of audio samples in different tones and styles in minutes. With high demand across industries, artificial intelligence voice tools offer a reliable way to earn extra money. Artificial intelligence financial tracking and budget boosting tools. Financial tracking tools built with artificial intelligence are helping Americans manage multiple income streams without feeling overwhelmed. These platforms organize expenses, monitor freelance earnings, categorize transactions, and create clear monthly reports. They also offer personalized recommendations on saving, budgeting, and investing based on your habits and goals. This makes it easier for people with side hustles to stay organized and avoid financial stress. When you know exactly where your money is going, you make better decisions and keep more of what you earn. Many users rely on these tools to track tax-deductible expenses or to plan out long-term income strategies. By simplifying financial management, artificial intelligence tools help turn extra earnings into real financial growth. Artificial intelligence surveys, testing, and microtask tools. Artificial intelligence microtask platforms provide quick ways to earn extra cash without long-term commitment. These tools streamline surveys, app testing, transcription tasks, categorization jobs, and small data assignments. Artificial intelligence helps match you with the fastest-paying opportunities and automates the boring parts so you can work efficiently. While this won't replace a full-time income, it's perfect for people who want simple, flexible ways to earn extra money in their free time. Many Americans use microtask tools for grocery money, gas money, or small savings goals. Because the tasks are short, you can complete them during breaks, commutes, or evenings. It's one of the easiest artificial intelligence-supported income streams available. Artificial intelligence writing and publishing tools. Writing and publishing have become much easier thanks to artificial intelligence tools that help with brainstorming, drafting, editing, formatting, and even designing book covers. These platforms support anyone interested in publishing ebooks, guides, templates, workbooks, or niche digital products. Many Americans use them to create content that sells on marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or their own websites. The tools help keep your writing clear and organized while speeding up the creative process. With digital products continuing to grow in popularity, publishing becomes a smart way to earn passive income. Whether you're sharing knowledge, telling a story, or offering helpful templates, artificial intelligence tools help you produce polished work quickly. Artificial intelligence, real estate and rental tools. Artificial intelligence real estate tools are helping homeowners and renters maximize income from their properties. These platforms analyze local markets, suggest competitive pricing, predict seasonal demand, and help optimize listings with stronger descriptions and better photos. They also assist with tenant screening and communication, saving time and reducing stress. Even people renting out a single spare room benefit from the insights artificial intelligence provides. For short-term rentals, these tools identify peak travel periods and help hosts attract more guests. With housing costs rising across the country, earning extra income from property is becoming more important, and artificial intelligence makes it easier and safer than ever. Artificial intelligence stock, crypto, and trading assistance. Trading tools powered by artificial intelligence give everyday Americans clear insights into the financial markets. These platforms analyze charts, track patterns, monitor volatility, and highlight potential entry and exit points. While they don't guarantee profits, they help beginners make more informed decisions instead of guessing. Many users rely on artificial intelligence assistance for long-term planning, portfolio adjustments, and risk assessment. The tools also break down complex financial data into simple, understandable recommendations that support smarter investing habits. Whether you're exploring stocks, crypto, or index funds, artificial intelligence provides guidance that would normally require years of experience. For people trying to grow their wealth slowly and safely, these tools can be incredibly valuable. And there you have it, 12 powerful artificial intelligence tools that Americans can start using right now to earn extra money in 2026. Whether you're exploring freelancing, digital products, tutoring, content creation, or better financial management, each tool opens the door to new opportunities. These aren't complicated systems meant for tech experts. They're practical, approachable, and designed to help everyday people work smarter and earn more with less stress. If this breakdown helped you discover new ideas, make sure to like, comment, and share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more income-boosting strategies and future-proof opportunities coming your way. Stay curious, stay motivated, and keep building your financial future.